about half throttle and it's okay. Give it some throttle. When you turn, give it throttle. So keep it from coming down. Pretty far off on the trim.
No, it's fine. Just getting used to it. This is a completely different animal than anything I have ever flown before.
Yeah, it's unique.
But it's fun.
Like I said, just remember throttle is altitude. When you turn, give it throttle so it doesn't go down.
Okay.
I'll give you the run through.
And this is John VH RC giving me some instruction. He's actually flown a scale one before.
Air is perfect.
It really is.
Doing great.
Kind of want to do flips, or I'll probably save that for a different flight. I get the Maiden one under the belt first before we get crazy. Are you zoomed in on the arms moving?
Pretty close. Let me take my glasses off. I can see better now through the screen. I'll be really tight. Okay.
I turned pretty sharp on that one. This thing is really cool, guys. It's a completely different flying experience than anything I've ever done before. If you're bored of your prop planes, this might just be for you. Wow, this is awesome. This is really cool, guys. And of course, it's really handy if you got a buddy that can throw it for you. John helped out big time on that. Doing double duty on the camera too. I think I might want to try set up to land.
Yeah.
I think I should try and do it in the grass, or should on the runway. Okay.
Yeah, just get lined up, cut the throttle, and just before it lands, flare just like an airplane.
All right.
But don't touch the elevators until you're committed.
Yeah.
When you get about a foot or so, just hog them in.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it on the grass. Oh yeah, dude. Woo!